The overall goal of this procedure is to set up a bioreactor that will provide a controlled environment for large-scale growth of bioengineered cells. This is accomplished by first assembling the vessel, calibrating the pH probe, and autoclaving the assembled vessel. The second step is to attach the autoclaved vessel to the fermenter base and to set the parameters for impeller speed, temperature, pH, and oxygen saturation. Next, the bioreactor run is initiated so that the desired impeller speed, temperature set point, and oxygen saturation are achieved. After manual calibration of the oxygen probe, the final step is to inoculate the bioreactor with the bacterial culture and monitor the conditions of the bioreactor by the computer software. Ultimately, the growth characteristics of the culture can be analyzed, and the culture can be processed for extraction and purification of the desired product.
In this video, we demonstrate the setup and operation of a bioreactor for bacterial fermentation. The visual demonstration of this method can be useful, as the assembly, calibration, and monitoring of the bioreactor can be a challenging task for individuals not familiar with this technology. Okay, let's get started.
To begin, add bacterial medium that is not heat labile to the clean vessel. Only add until maximum working volume is reached, which is 3.3 liters for a 5-liter total volume vessel. Mount the vessel headplate, ensuring